Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Billboard Mockup in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then go to the select rectangle marker tool from the toolbar and create a shape. Then go to the filter menu, click on the Convert Smart Filter. Decrease opacity, Ctrl T, free transform, right click and select distort. Increase opacity, double click on the smart layer, then go to the file menu, click on the place embedded and place your design. Normal to soft light and design layer copy. Now we make a Billboard mockup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.